Hello everybody. See what I did here is I took a USB adapter and took this PS2 fight stick for Dragon Ball Z Budokai that I found at Second and Charles, and I hooked it up to the computer, and I used XPadder to get the controls, or the PC controls for Mortal Kombat. This is what the fuck happened. Ow. Well, it's not supposed to happen.
Maybe Kentaro was a bad example for this one.
Maybe he was. Maybe he was. Oh shit. Ah.
You want to explain what happened there?
Oh yeah. The X-ray. I just push all the buttons. All the buttons. Ah.
I'm a boss character. Nah.
Oh, I did it. Sweet. Also, it's got these suction cups on the bottom.
That ain't coming
Well,
off.
that ain't coming off. It's got these suction cups on the bottom.
Because it's meant for coffee tables.
Yeah, I guess. Oh boy. Just in time. You see the grand finale. We're putting it to its limits. Oh shit. Oh god. Oh god. Oh fuck. This...
Shao Kahn gives no shits.
No, he doesn't. Neither do I. So he's gonna have a bad day.
Oh my god. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh no!
Oh! Oh!
Oh, that's game. Actually, no, that was just the first round. Okay. You turned on. Oh shit! That's what he does, man. He corners you. All right, here we go. Oh, are you fucking kidding me?
Steam overlay!
No! Oh, that's bullshit. Hey, I did it.
So yeah, for those of you unfamiliar with the wonders of the default Steam overlay, it's Shift and Tab.
Which are two of the buttons in this game.
Oh man.
Which makes me question the sanity of the people that made the fucking PC controls.
Did you just fucking 20? Oh my god.
Yeah, nah,
You didn't even waste time. So yeah, for what it's worth, for a $15, like, PS2 fight stick.
Also, Shao Kahn is just pretty fucking hard.
Yeah.
I'll say that. Yeah.
Let's just get a nice arcing shot of that stick real quick. Just...
Yeah.
I'm fucking done.